crucial medications or treatments, timing's everything. Whether we're talking about the thousands of drugs that we distribute every day or the specialty drugs that are sent directly to someone, there is a real person at the end of that supply chain. They have to be 100% confident as the end customer that they're going to get what they need to sustain their life or to make the quality of life better. That PowerSecure microgrid really gives us the confidence that we're going to be able to operate 24/7. So on this campus, this is our Carrollton campus, we have multiple business units here. We do anything from third-party logistics, coordinating the distribution of pharmaceutical drugs. We have a pharmacy here on site. We distribute specialty drugs as well. The pharmacy has drugs that are required to remain in certain temperature thresholds. Those could be kept in a freezer, a walk-in freezer. They could be kept in a walk-in refrigerator or a reach-in refrigerator. It's critical not only to keep that medication at those temperature ranges so that the medications or the treatments work as they're supposed to, as they're intended, but that just from an accountability standpoint that we can demonstrate that we're doing that as well from a regulatory standpoint. Power outage for us, it's a tough one because we do have to be operational 24/7. The pharmacists have to come in and they have to fill those subscriptions. If we lose power, it all fails. That's why we made an investment to have a microgrid to ensure that that never happened here. This is Carrollton, Texas. For us, typically heat's a much bigger factor than cold and snow. But in February of this year, we experienced a very unusual cold snap. And when that happened, because of rolling blackouts, if we didn't have our microgrid, we would have eventually run into trouble staying operational 24/7. But because we had that, we could continue our vital operations. It's about ensuring that backup power is always available. That if we go off the public utility at any time, on any day of the year, that we are 100% confident that PowerSecure and Volvo Penta have our backs and will do whatever it takes to ensure that we can continue to meet our purpose. United in our responsibility to create healthier futures. That's why we exist.